Welcome to Nagas or Delicious. In today's video, we're going to see the preparation of the Nelpuri Urundai. So this is a speciality for Kartikai Deepam, one more festival of lights. So always light is a symbolism of enlightenment, knowledge, wisdom. So let us just check with the procedure. So take 4 cups of the puffed rice. So puffed rice always comes attached with the husk and we have to remove the husk. And once the husk is collected, please discard it. And now take a separate frying pan. In that add half a cup of jaggery, and this is pagu vellam, which is especially used for this preparation. And to that add 1/4 cup of water and allow the jaggery to melt into a syrup. By the time the syrup gets ready, just take a small plate with water to check the consistency. The syrup is almost ready, and now we can add around 1 teaspoon of cardamom powder and mix it with the syrup. And for me to obtain the consistency for this half a cup of the jaggery, it took around 5.5 minutes. And now let us take a few drops of the jaggery syrup and add it into the water in the plate. And now when we try to roll it, it will roll. So this is called as the rolling ball consistency of the jaggery syrup or the pagu. There is also another method to check it. Just add a few drops of it into the water. Roll it, it will roll, and try to hold it with your fingers, it will come with your fingers. And apart from that, when you try to shift it between fingers, it gets shifted very easily. So this is called as the tomato consistency or the rolling ball consistency. Yes, now the syrup is ready, switch off the flame. And now transfer the syrup into a bigger bowl with the puffed rice. Now gradually mix the contents. So the jaggery with the cardamom powder and the puffed rice has to blend together. And here we have to be very careful and patient enough to mix the jaggery syrup or the pagu with the puffed rice. And we have to ensure that the puffed rice doesn't get broken. So mix in such a way that the pagu gets distributed evenly with the puffed rice. Yes, once it is mixed, leave it aside for the syrup to cool for some time. It takes about 5 to 10 minutes. And once it comes to bearable heat, we can gently roll them into balls. So this is the Nelpuri Urundai. So apply the process to the remaining part of the contents and make them into balls and roll them gently, and see through that the syrup holds the Nelpuri into a fine ball. Yes, perfectly done. So our Nelpuri Urundai for the Kartikai Deepam is ready. So Kartikai Deepam is a festival of light, which is a symbolism of the Atman blending with the Paramatman. So we provide this as offering on the Kartikai Deepam day. So light spreads joy, happiness, awareness, wisdom, knowledge. Let the light pervade and enlighten us. So have a happy Kartikai Deepam, stay safe, stay blessed, and enjoy the festival of lights. We'll meet you in future videos with more such useful content. So till then, thanks for watching Naga's Odalicious.